morning. Today is Wednesday, January 23rd. I am actually in Alabama. I spent the night in Coleman, Alabama at the Pilot last night, and I'm headed to Florida, but I just got a call from my DM saying that I have to shut her on down once I reach Montgomery, because I'm like literally driving to the thick of the storm. There's a storm going on right now over here in the Georgia, Florida area, and it looks like I'm headed right towards it. So once I reach down to Alabama, unfortunately, I'm going to have to shut down. I'm still 534 miles away from dropping what I need to drop, and it looks like I'm gonna be headed nowhere fast, no time soon. I'm not sure like how long it's gonna take for this storm to like pass by, but I had shut down early last night because I thought I was doing something last night. I thought if I sit where I was at over there in Coleman, that, you know, it'll pass by now, but I guess the storm don't want to let up. So I'm about to shut her on down at a Pilot over here. I'm gonna just find a Pilot. I don't know if I'm gonna go all the way to Montgomery and shut down, or I'm gonna shut down before that. I'm still 65 miles away from Montgomery. I don't want to be in the storm. I don't want to be in the fucking snow. So I don't know. We'll see. But that's my current situation right now. As you can see right now, it's clear skies. It's nice and sunny. It's colder than a motherfucker. It's 16 degrees out this bitch, and we is in the south now, mind you now. So all my up north family and friends, y'all weather down here is in our fucking backyards drunk and shit. I'm gonna need y'all to come down here and get this shit. You feel me? But it's nice and sunny and shit right now. I don't know what's going on further up the road. Like I said, I'm 60 some miles away from Montgomery. And just in case you were wondering, Marten does pay us for inclement weather. So if we have to shut down for inclement weather, they do pay us. I'm not exactly sure how much that pay is. I will know once I get my stub next week. But we do get paid for inclement weather, like times like this when we have to shut down. We're being forced to shut down. This is not something that I want to do. I would like to get down the road. I thought I was doing something by going to Florida. I'm all bragging and shit, and that's where the hell the snow is at, which is crazy. Jesus is on his way, y'all. Get right with the big sandals upstairs, because something ain't right. Snow in Florida, snow in Alabama, 14 degrees in Alabama. He on the way. Get right with God. To any drivers that's out there driving during this period of time, or in or around the storm, please be safe out there. We're sending prayers up to you all that you make it home safely to your families. To anybody who's not driving, that's living in these areas where the storm is, I also want to send out some cyber love and send up prayers up for you and your family, that you get through this. Hopefully you all are staying warm, y'all staying blessed. In the meantime, between time, just wanted to give y'all an update. I'ma holla at y'all in the next vlog. Until next time, it's your favorite cousin, Lady Luck, aka Street Prophet, aka The Highway Honey.